Hello and welcome. It is the 13th of August 2017, and this is just a wild code. I think it has only just started trading in the last couple hours or so. I'm doing this as at 8:27 p.m. Eastern Time. And what I'm looking at here is a market that we can see was consistently at 9.99. I think it just wasn't even traded. It was just like the opening price, and then it just got going. And well, it's risen from 9 all the way, or 10, already up to 135. I mean, that's 13.5x. Right now it's trading in at 90. And that's a drop of 45 basis points or over 30%. So if you're looking for day trading opportunities, when you see these things have these kinds of wild movements, you're able to pick away on the 1 minute time frame sometimes at major gains. I mean, right now, not much is going on, just very small buys at the 92. But this is also what boggles my mind with something like this. We are looking at something that is trading at 92 times higher than the price of Bitcoin. So this is something that's over $250,000 for one of these. Like, what the heck is this worth? One of them worth $250,000. It's just wild. Now we have a situation here where there's a decent amount of people wanting to buy at 90 and 92. I don't know which wall is going to break, but I mean, this thing could drop huge. I really don't know. And this is an interesting site because I'm not happy with Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals on this site, as this is on Yobit, as there's 150,000 Satoshi to withdraw Bitcoin, which works out to like that's $6 American. That's pretty expensive, and I unfortunately at times have no choice but to pay it. Now, even more so, that's worse, is they need 6 verifications or confirmations to approve a deposit. So I got Bitcoin coming. It's probably not going to arrive for at least 20 to 30 more minutes. So even if I wanted to buy it and I'm not going to day trade something like, I'm not day trading this at all, that I'd have to wait a while to do such. And I'd only have to predict that this is being traded amongst other exchanges. And if that's the case, I don't know if the smart play is to buy at 92 or sell at 90. I really have no idea. But I wouldn't be surprised if one of them is the smart play. Just don't know which one that would be at this stage. But a lot of these times you see these things go way up, way down. The volatility movements early on should continue to be decent. And because of that decent, and there's all the buying pressures coming in, they've removed that now down to 3% of a Bitcoin in there. So if we look at this, if we break this wall, I mean, there's really not much going on here at all. I mean, there's like 150, 190. I mean, this thing has the potential to pop. I mean, a lot of times if I was in this now, you had a position, then you maybe put a sell order around 170, 180, 200, 300, I don't know. And then when you sell it, you could probably go for extreme buybacks. Where if you're selling at, say, 180, you can try to buy it back at 100 or even 50. Who knows how this is going to play through. But just want to give the heads up that this is most certainly wild in its volatility. We can see the 92 has been taken out. So this could transition into the decent rise because of the fact that, one, there's not too many Bitcoins up for sale. And there's also people seeing, oh man, there's 4/5 of a Bitcoin at 90. So if I want to buy it now, I guess I'm going to have to pay the 120. Oh, do I want to pay that? You can only buy 7.8%, but that's not that. low of amount, of course, depending on one's bankroll, would be if that is a large number or not. But just wanted to bring this code. I mean, 90 times the price of Bitcoin. That is just insane. What is there, like 20 coins or 50 coins or something tiny on the market? Of course, it'd be a bit more, but not many. Anyway, I'm going to end this video now. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day.